Many people ask me that I guide a lot of people to get them IT jobs in Canada and several other countries, and how exactly I got that knowledge. I landed in Canada in 2015, so I was doing my IT business in India and I started to expand my IT business in Canada. But then I was not able to make money like how I get in Western countries, but I'm making money just like how I used to get in India. So I thought, okay, besides doing business, I should also do some job search. Before landing in Canada, so I was professionally a QA, both manual and automation, and I have worked on many quality certifications and information security certifications. So with that knowledge, I tried to apply for QA jobs. I started my job search in May 2015, and to my surprise, I got my offer in February 2017. So it took nearly 20 months for me to get the job. So I was technically very sound. I was from IIIT Bangalore, a premier academic institution. So from my side, the technical qualities are pretty good, and I thought I can get the job pretty faster. But now I realize that in Canada, to do the job search, it took 20 months for me. In these 20 months, I have prepared nearly 70 plus resumes. I have applied for nearly 50 plus roles. I have interacted with hundreds of recruiters. I have met nearly 50 recruiters over lunch or dinner or for a coffee, and I have attended nearly 70 plus interviews, and I have applied for nearly 2000 plus jobs. So all these things have taught me what kind of jobs are prominent in Canada, what jobs work, what jobs doesn't work, what are the expectations of the recruiters from the job seeker, what are the expectations of the interviewer from the job seeker when you are attending the interview, and what they like, what they dislike, and what they expect to see in the candidate, whether and what kind of behavioral traits they expect. So I have analyzed all these things, and with this experience I have drafted a program which is a career mentoring program, which I feel that if one does job search in this way, like I have prepared a guideline, so if anyone searches for job in as per that guideline, they will definitely be able to get the job. But of course, job search is an art and not a science, so people can get the job even by following different methods. But based on my experience, I have created this career mentoring program, and this is a program I keep improvising every now and then based on the market demands, based on the dynamics of job market in each country, and then implement that program to the job seekers, and that is how I am able to guide them, mentor them, and help them get IT jobs. So I just wanted to share this story with all of you. So this is not something I'm trying to do out of fluke, but these are all my self experiences which helped me to gain the knowledge over a period of 20 months and helped me to implement that knowledge on all the people to whom I'm mentoring.